Good evening. We'll short video about the importance of notice everything what you're doing about your notebook, and you can use it literally for everything, for your study, for your business, for I don't know, for your trainings, your dietary, and so on. I make several videos already, so I'll be super brief. So every day you make a notes, for example, what you eat and how much you eat, so it's really easy to manage how much calories you contain and do you have enough ingredients and so on, so be super healthy and increase your results, for instance. Yeah, and if you'll do it 1 month, let's say, so in 1 month you'll be expert and you will recognize on your eye how much calories everywhere and what nutrition there and so on. So in 3 months you'll do it automatically. And same about your weight. So for instance, if you measurement your weight every morning, so you will see you have any result during the week time or not. So you say, okay, you cut 200 grams every day, you have some progress, cool. If you're not, seems you're doing something wrong. You didn't cut enough calories, so you didn't increase enough your activity and so on. Same on your training. If you want to get some results, you make a really short notes like okay, how long you done exercise, so you run 1 hour, then 1 hour 5 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes, what time was running, and you write it, okay, this week I run like 10 minutes faster, 1 minute faster, or so on. And if you do the weightlifting or whatever, okay, you lift 200 kilo, then 202 kilo, 204 kilo, and so on. You can see some progress. If you have no progress, so probably you need to change training, working harder or whatever, if you not see any progress and so on. So basically the notes, it can be one of the best friends. Of course, if you wrote a program, you know, like today you're working with the legs and tomorrow you do the chest, and for instance you run before yesterday, your legs still hurt, so yeah, you trust your feelings, you're not training legs today, you can do the shoulders or whatever. Same if you've done the boxing or wrestling and you need to train in your chest muscle tomorrow and it still hurts, of course you need to basically your schedule might be changed, but it depends. But if you make a perfect program for you and it works well, okay, you just go for it. And yeah, just try to motivate yourself as much as possible, because you look in your schedule and say, oh, I'm still losing weight and look amazing, whatever, I have some good results and it's still growing, I lift more weights, whatever, just gain a little bit more muscles, whatever, I manage my diet and so on and so on, I do my business well, my income is growing, and you can use it literally everywhere. And it's really cool when you make like really short, brief diary day by day, like what you've done, what you want to do, like what your goal want to achieve. So okay, so probably you can achieve it like in 3 months or so on, if you want to lose 10 kilo, or maybe you want to grow your company, so your income supposed to grow like maybe 100,000 more. So okay, what you done for it, what you need to done more, and so on, and go for it. All right, so yeah, I won't be like super brief and quick, because I guess you had enough information and everything's really obvious for you. And yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.